Bean ENT. You know what I'm saying? It's the original. Yeah. CEO of the ENT. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all these motherfuckers who support this shit. Shout out to the motherfuckers who think this shit ain't shit. I had a motherfucker ask me the other day, what is Bean ENT? A bitch at that. Told that hoe, bow bitch, height hoe. We do this shit for my motherfucking niggas, you know what I'm saying? 6 feet under, walking the motherfucking earth, you know what I'm saying? And we can't see them no more. I do it for my motherfucking niggas, you understand? I don't do this shit for nobody else, you know what I'm saying? This ENT shit, it's the business aspect, getting money aspect, city to city type shit, you know what I'm saying? Doing this for my motherfucking niggas to put them in a better situation than what they already is. Tired of losing my niggas. Tired of all my niggas getting locked up. Tired of hoes hating. Tired of niggas hating. You know what I'm saying? So shit, I'm finna give them a reason to hate. You know what I'm saying? And that's G shit. Shout out to one time for my motherfucking artist. You know what I'm saying? Brady B, Hoodie, Chuck, Duke, LaFire, Craig, Howard, Dante, Kill, Tip, Sierra. One time for my artist, you know what I'm saying? One time for my divas and my models. Bean, all of them, you know what I'm saying? All of them bad, all of them look good. Fucking hating that hoe, baby. Shit, shout out to all my affiliates. Too many other names, y'all know who y'all is. This shit, you know what I'm saying? Go on the official pages, you know what I'm saying? Show love, see what's up. This shit ain't no gimmick. See what make us different from all the other ENTs, motherfuckers don't know us just for throwing parties, you know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers already know us. If y'all don't know us, you know us. And you want to know about it, you know what I'm saying? And, you know what I'm saying? We street niggas, you know what I'm saying? We street niggas, you know what I'm saying? With street mentality, with good common sense. We ain't no pretty boy niggas, y'all niggas, you know what I'm saying? That was born with a silver spoon in y'all mouth, nigga. You know what I'm saying? We from the mud, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Most of us get our shit from the dirt. You understand that? I know I do. Shit, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know about y'all motherfuckers doing this motherfucking video. You know what I'm saying? But I'm finna come off the air real soon. Motherfuckers be asking me where I be at. You know what I'm saying? Where the CEO at? Where Lil Gavin at? Where that bitch at? Whatever y'all call me. You know what I'm saying? Get my motherfucking mind right. You understand that? Doing this shit for my niggas. You know what I'm saying? Because I love my niggas. Shit. Bean ENT.